What is Blephasteam? Blephasteam is a patented medical device. This innovative device reproduces an environment that naturally enhances tear film quality and stability by reinforcing the thickness of the tear film lipid layer. This layer prevents tear film evaporation. It is produced by Meibomian glands, which are found in the eyelids. These glands can be easily blocked, causing conditions such as dry eye syndrome, chalazion, blepharitis, or ocular rosacea. Blephasteam spreads latent heat therapy, which allows the melting of secretions and unblocks the Meibomian glands, improving tear film stability. Thanks to this action, Blephasteam leads to the relief of symptoms caused by MGD and improves eyelid health and daily comfort. The wireless mask works with specific rechargeable batteries and is housed on a base station connected to the power supply.